Hi everyone, this is Stone. Today I'm going to show you how to proceed with the connector's hardware firmware function. First, we just enter the app and found this X431 diagnosis kit. There will be an option called Fix Connector Firmware. Click it. And then you can see there are two options. One is for the connector firmware itself. When you try to diagnose some certain cars and you found the connection is abnormal, then you could try with this fixed connectors firmware. You can see it will connecting the VCI in Wi-Fi mode. So it will ask us some conditions, preconditions, when you try this connector firmware function. And if the issue is not with the connector and the car, but connector with the tablet and the tablet, then you can try this fixed connector system function. When you try this function, you need to make sure the power is on and not be disturbed. Also, it will take about 10 minutes for the whole process. So please leave enough time. You can see if the power is low, then you cannot try this function. You need to wait at least 10 minutes for the function to try this connector system firmware fix. Thank you.